Hi everyone, this is Rehana and I welcome you back to my channel Rehana Voice. And today we're going to see really an amazing video where I'm going to introduce you to a series called Bangtan Education Series. In this series, we're going to master particular topics. If you take biology, we're going to master heart, which you're going to do within few minutes in other topics. If you take physics, we're going to master electricity and some other subjects, some other topics will be done. So, Bangtan Education, be an expert in everything. And this Bangtan Education series is fully done by me. If you find that the particular topic which I post in this season, Bangtan Education, is not good, you can email me or you can comment me. If you email me, it will be personal. Or else, the particular topic, if I am putting heart, one particular statement false. You can comment it or email me again if you want to make it personal. So today we're gonna see biology heart. In heart we're gonna see all about heart. How does the heart work? So how does the heart work? This topic seems to be a very difficult topic among the students, but let us make it very easy. This topic is highly tested for class 7th and 10th board exams, most probably I can guess. So let's get started. Before that, I showed the heart picture. It's my fault. Okay, this is the heart. People say that the heart is the pumping organ because it pumps blood to all parts of the body, and if it does not pump, we would die because the blood would not be supplied to kidney, liver, lungs, and it stops working. When it stops working, we would die. So this topic is particularly very clear to you all guys, I hope. And the lower tip of the heart is slightly tilted to the left, which means like does it mean that the heart's position is left? No. The heart is back to the center bone of the rib cage called sternum. So the position of the heart is center. So out of 10 million, 1% has the heart tilted to the right. What does it mean? It is a disorder, but that does not cause any problem. That does not lead to any problem. So now we are going to see the working of the heart, but before that, the heart is made up of four chambers because to avoid mixing of carbon dioxide rich fluid and oxygen rich fluid. What will happen if they mix? So carbon dioxide is considered as toxic for us in nature. It's like it's human, uh, it's created by the god, first of all, to say. If it gets mixed, you get carbohemoglobin. If that comes, if there is excess of carbohemoglobin, what would happen? We would die. We know that hemoglobin helps in the transport of oxygen. If it converts into carbon dioxide, if it's carbon dioxide in place of oxygen, it will become carbohemoglobin and we would die if it exceeds. So we're going to see about the working of the heart. So you have lower chambers called the ventricle and you have the upper chambers called the atria, singular atrium. So from the lungs we get the oxygenated blood which enters the heart to the pulmonary vein. From the pulmonary vein. And from the pulmonary vein it goes to the left atrium. And from the left atrium it goes to the left ventricle. And once the blood is filled in the left ventricle, this left ventricle will shut its door called mitral valve or the bicuspid. So this is a valve, this is a door. And from this left ventricle should pump the blood to all parts of the body. So it needs energy. So it gets the help from myocardium, which is the thickest wall of the heart, even if you compare to the right ventricle. And from that it goes to the aorta, and from the aorta it goes to all parts of the body. Respiration takes place. And then next thing is deoxygenated blood. Deoxygenated blood enters the heart through the superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava. So inferior vena cava means deoxygenated blood from all the lower parts of the body and superior means all the upper parts of the body. So vena cava is the largest vein and then aorta is the biggest artery. As we self know that veins carry deoxygenated blood to the heart, one way route. It is like its valves are structured in such a way. So, from the superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava, the blood enters the right atrium, and from the right atrium, it goes to the right ventricle. And once the blood is filled in the right ventricle, the tricuspid valve shuts its door. Mitral valve or bicuspid, or we have tricuspid, shuts their door. And it starts pumping, it goes to the pulmonary artery, and from the pulmonary artery, it goes to the lungs, where in the lungs, exchange of gases takes place in the capillaries. In, like, people say it's alveoli, wall of the alveoli, you have capillaries, okay? So in lungs you have the oxygen. So the carbon dioxide is replaced with oxygen, and the carbon dioxide is given out. That's how we exhale carbon dioxide. And this is something all about heart. And now you have what? Oxygenated blood. And this oxygenated blood again comes to pulmonary vein and the cycle repeats. So I've explained this in depth, very clear, and that I'm very clear that this is very clear for you all guys. I've explained it very clear. So thank you, Gamsamida, and let me meet you in next video where I meet you with amazing video like this. Jai Hind, Bangtan Education, and Happy Republic Day.